Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. This is our army guy. He says we need new recruits here at Yak Backpack. That he's going to help us find some new recruits. Off he goes. Let's see who he comes back with. Who did you bring for us, army guy? He brought us some pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. What is this? This is pineapple. We need more recruits. Off he goes. Here he is. Let's see what he brought us. He brought us a pig. A pig. A pink pig. Look at the pink pig. A pink pig. We need more P recruits. Let's see what other P objects we can find. He found a penguin. This is a penguin. Look at the toy penguin. Penguin. This is a penguin. What a fun toy penguin. We still need more P recruits. I'll be back in a second, says the army guy. Off he goes. What did he find for us? He found a panda. This is a panda. A panda is black and white. What is this? This is a panda. It is a panda finger puppet. Hi, I'm a panda. So we found one more. We found some pie. Look at the pie. Pie. Do you like to eat pie? We found pie, a pineapple, a pig, a penguin, a panda puppet. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.